Hello and welcome to LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant. Many people think logistics and supply chain mean the same thing, but in reality, they are not exactly the same. Supply chain refers to the complete journey of a product from raw material to the final customer. Logistics focuses on the movement, storage, and handling of goods within the journey. Think of the supply chain as the entire journey of a product. Logistics operate inside this journey, mainly covering warehousing and transportation. For example, when a mobile phone is produced, sourcing parts, manufacturing, and selling are the part of the supply chain. Moving the phone from factory to warehouse and then to customer is logistics. Supply chain focuses on planning, coordination, and overall cost strategy. Logistics focuses on execution, ensuring timely and safe movement of goods. When logistics issues happen, many people blame the entire supply chain. Understanding the difference helps fix the right problem at the right stage. Remember the simple rule: logistics is part of the supply chain, not the other way round. Subscribe to LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant, and start learning logistics the right way: simple, practical, and industry focused.